Hey guys, Realme GT5 Pro and OnePlus 12 just launched in China, and let's now talk about which phone you have to buy right now. So if you compare to the price, Realme GT5 Pro is slightly cheaper than OnePlus 12. Those both phone specifications are almost same. Both phone pack with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC 5400 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. And both phone also offering a curved OLED display with 4500 nits peak brightness, and both phone offering Sony Lite 808 has a main camera. So let's now talk about the specific difference between OnePlus 12 and Realme GT5 Pro. Realme GT5 Pro comes with 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 144Hz refresh rate display, and on the other hand the OnePlus 12 comes with slightly bigger display. The phone comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution 120Hz screen. So in the display department, OnePlus 12 comes with slightly bigger display with the QHD plus resolution. Realme GT5 Pro comes with 16GB of RAM and 1TB storage, and on the other hand OnePlus 12 comes with 24GB RAM and 1TB storage. So OnePlus offer you more RAM. And in the camera department, both phones come with triple camera setup in the back. Realme GT Pro comes with 8 MP ultra wide. On the other hand, OnePlus 12 comes with 48 MP ultra wide. And both phones also come with periscope zoom lens in the first time. OnePlus 12 comes with 64 MP OB64B telescope telephoto lens. And on the other hand, Realme GT5 Pro comes with Sony IMX890 periscope telephoto lens. Both phones come with 3x optical zoom and also 120x max zoom. So in the camera department, both phones working almost same, and both phone out of the box running Android 14. Realme GT5 Pro running Realme UI 5.0 and OnePlus 12 running Oxygen OS 14. And the Antutu score OnePlus 12 are winner because the phone comes with 24GB of RAM compared to the 16GB of RAM Realme GT5 Pro. So if you looking for a cheaper Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship smartphone, the Realme GT5 Pro is the best choice for you. And on the other hand, if you want a best and flagship killer smartphone, the OnePlus 12 is the best choice for you. So that's pretty much for our video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.